On today's first look, we have Will Ferrell's 1976 Mercedes-Benz 450SL Roadster, and this is lot number 371. This is owned by actor and comedian Will Ferrell. This 1967 Mercedes-Benz 450SL Roadster is powered by the 4.5-liter V8 engine equipped with the Bosch K-Jetronic fuel injection. It's factory rated at 180 horsepower and 220 foot-pounds of torque. Power is routed through the rear wheels through a 3-speed automatic transmission. The car is equipped with power steering and power-assisted 4-wheel disc brakes. The brake master cylinder and the steering coupler have been replaced. It is finished in silver green with an exterior featuring the brown soft top and the matching hard top in the body color. Additional details include the fog lights, the bright mirror surroundings, the chrome accented bumpers. Pretty nicely optioned car. It rides on 14-inch steel wheels with painted hubcaps on it. A full-size spare is in the trunk, not a space saver, trimmed in dark green leather interior, and it has power windows and air conditioning. The Becker Mexico AM/FM cassette is installed. There's a blast from the past. It has a 4-spoke steering wheel with video instrumentation. Best part, it's selling at no reserve at our 2026 Palm Beach auction, April 16th through the 18th at the South Florida Fairgrounds. Pick up this beautiful 450SL right from Will Ferrell. See you there.